it takes a community to raise one good trader.
Nabigyan ako ng isang opportunity.
Ramdam na ramdam ko talaga yung malasakit.
Grabe yung team natin. Nagtutulungan talaga, no?
What you see here today is not just a team, but a community, a family, a group of people who chose purpose over comfort.
As a seller, kailangan tayo ay number one problem solver.
Paano nila ikaw makikilala kung kamukha ng content ng iba ang gagawin mo?
Let us continue to build skills, trade with purpose, and create freedom through knowledge. I love you 3,000 Camiranda.
It takes a community to raise a trader. I love you 3,000 Camiranda!